Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to boot your device from USB. To do that, insert a bootable USB flash drive into your laptop, then press power button to turn it on and start repeatedly pressing F12 button until your device starts booting into one-time menu, about which you will be notified in the top right corner of the screen. Now, in order to boot your device from USB, you can either select the generic UEFI generic USB 3.0 using your touchpad, or just navigate there using your arrow keys and press enter to confirm. And once you click on the UEFI generic USB 3.0 or 2.0, depending on which one you're using, you'll immediately boot to the USB flash drive. And in my case, I got the Windows 11 set up on this Windows on this USB, so I'm gonna close it, and once I close it, laptop will automatically boot into Windows, or maybe it won't if you don't have a operational system installed on your device. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.